How to become a seller on Temu. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to become a seller on Temu. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. In order to become a seller on Temu, you will have to join Temu as a verified seller on Pinduoduo. Temu is the subsidiary of Pinduoduo, so go ahead and open a new tab and now in the search bar, search for Pinduoduo login and tap on this particular link. In the interface that you will be led to, firstly go ahead and change the website's language to English, and now in the login portal you see there, tap on the Don't Have an Account Yet, Register Now option. You will then be asked to enter your phone number and few other details. So firstly, make sure your country code is correct, and now enter the phone number and then go ahead and set your password. You will now receive a verification code in the phone number that you just entered. So go ahead and enter the verification code and further tap on the register button. And now, once that your account has been created, you will be asked to complete the merchant registration that includes all your personal details such as your ID verification. After the registration process is complete, submit your form. Now wait until Temu verifies your seller request. Temu might take up to 7 days for giving the confirmation. So this is how you can become a seller on Temu. If you found the video helpful, smash that like button, comment if you have any queries, and be sure to subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.